Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer Tether from XMO to Binance in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between exchanges, especially with Tether being one of the most stable coins out there. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just diversify your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will get you there quickly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Binance. Start by logging into your XMO account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Balance section and find your Tether USDT balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. Next, select the withdrawal feature for USDT. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, that's your Binance deposit address. To get that, log into your Binance account in a new tab, go to your wallet, and copy the USDT address. Double-check this address because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Now, back on XMO, paste that Binance address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Tether you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits and accounting for network fees. Most Tether transfers use the Tron or ERC20 network, so select the right one based on your Binance setup to avoid extra costs. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this through email, SMS, or two-factor authentication for security. Once approved, sit tight. The transfer usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, log back into Binance and check your wallet to confirm the Tether has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Give it time or check the transaction on a blockchain explorer. A few quick tips. Always use strong security measures like 2FA on both platforms, be aware of any withdrawal fees, and never share your private keys. That's it for this guide. Transferring crypto might seem intimidating, but with these steps, you'll be a pro in no time. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.